In this video, I'm gonna give you tips on how you can make more money this 2020. So if you want to know more about that, check this video out. Hi everyone, this is Marvin Germo. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and smash that bell so you get updated every time I create and spit out new content about investing, about business, with one goal in mind: to help you reach your goals of financial freedom. So if you want to know more, subscribe, hit that bell, smash that bell, and stay tuned and stay till the end of this video. So we're just about to hit 2020, and a lot of you guys have a lot of resolutions when you start the year. And by the way, I'm not a big fan of resolutions. I'm a big fan of when you get a realization, you start at that very moment. When you get that realization that you need to do something on how you tweak your finances, you start at that very moment. Don't wait until a milestone occurs. Don't wait until 2020 would occur. Don't wait until the 6th month of the year. Whenever you hit that realization, you start right here, right now. Anyways, I want to start with this. How do you make more money? Just get sidelines, just get extra hustles, just get extra opportunities on how you can find more sales. And this is one of the greatest times for you to make money. This is one of the greatest times for all of us to be alive. So my biggest suggestion, my greatest suggestion is find side hustles, find sidelines, find certain things that you can sell at your office, find certain things that you can sell off the internet: Lazada, Shopee, Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, your own website. Find those opportunities where you can sell either a product or a service. That cupcake business, that brownie business, that service if you're an accountant, that service if you're a video editor, you're a graphic designer, or anything else from the fruits of your labor. Find something in your additional time that will help you make money. You need to have a sideline. You need to find extra sources of income, because if you don't have extra sources of income, you'll just be limited by your salary. Don't limit yourself from your salary. Don't limit yourself from what you get from the 8 to 5. Your 8 to 5 should take care of your needs, but what happens in 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 should take care of your wants, should take care of your dreams, because I've been saying this over and over. No one will take care of your dream more than you. So find a sideline, and the best time to find a sideline is while you're employed. Don't wait until you resign. Don't wait until you quit your job. Don't wait until everything is done before you actually start those sidelines. You have to do it now so that you build the skill, you build the experience, you build your capacity to be able to do it. Because please know this: when you start businesses, it won't work all the time. It won't be something that's very, very profitable at the very, very start. And you doing it right here, right now, will already let you know if it actually works. So for example, if you're gonna do that cupcake business, the thing about that is this: if it doesn't work, you can already tweak. Am I gonna develop something new to make it better, to make it something that my friends, my colleagues, and everyone else around me will like? Or you can easily cut loss and transfer to something else. Better to do that right here, right now. So a couple of things that you can also do, and I've been sharing this in a lot of the videos that I've created. Find a lot of sales. If you know how to spot sales 50%, 60%, 70% off, or for those who travel a lot, find those opportunities where you can get those sales. And what do you do next? Get those sales, get those heavy discounts, sell them online, sell them on Shopee, sell them on Lazada. It's one of the greatest arbitrages ever. Or if you travel to different countries, in certain areas where mura, like let me give an example. In Dubai, mura ang pabango. In Dubai, maleta, luggages are also cheap there as well. You can, that's just an idea. Go there, buy stuff there, sell it to the Philippines. Or you find areas where sobrang muring area, and it doesn't have to be abroad, and then that's where you sell it as an arbitrage as well. So those are areas, those are ways for you to be able to make money wherever you are. People always think that I'll start making money, I need to have this large amount of capital, I'll start a milk tea business. That's not true. You don't have to do that. You don't have to follow suit with that. You can already make money wherever you are. Just to share, when I was younger, I used to sell some stuff also, some supplements that I got it at cheap price, sold it at a higher price, and that's the greatest arbitrage when it comes to money. That's the greatest arbitrage when it comes to investing. Finding opportunities, finding a need, and then as you see that need, also you can use that need for you to be able to buy that, address it, and make money off of it. Please remember this: businesses is just basically you finding a need and addressing it, and selling and creating opportunities from that need as well. So that's my first tip. You need to find side hustles. You need to find opportunities where you can earn extra while you are working. Yvonne, I'm talking about how to earn extra this 2020. What's your suggestion to all of them? I mean, tip number 1 pa lang. I said, find side hustles. What's your tip? As a Chinese merchant.
Chinese
From Binondo,
merchant?
you grew up in Binondo, diba? So, you know all of the rudiments and the styles of Chinese people.
Start a hardware?
Start a hardware talaga? O ba, kwento mo, may hardware kayo, diba? Diba? How did your hardware start?
Huh?
Was it good? Was it profitable also?
I guess it's profitable.
Okay.
I don't know.
Pero what's the advantages of starting a hardware? What makes it so good?
That's a typical business for Chinese people.
Hindi naman sobra naman. Hindi lahat ng ano ganun. Pero totoo naman kasi ang hardware kailangan siya ng madaming tao. They need it. Syempre if you're constructing or you own a house or you live in a place, kailangan mo ng mga stuff for it. So, siguro tip, hindi ko alam kung may makuha ko yung tip doon, but find something that, tumawa na lang bigla eh. Find something that people need. Find something that, you know, that there will be a market for it as well. So, aside from searching for side hustles my suggestion is this. What you want to start has to be something that, it's not just something that you're good at, it's not just something that you're passionate at, but it's something that there will be a market for it as well. There has to be people that will know there has to be people that will actually need and want what you're selling, because if no one needs and wants what you're selling, no matter how good it is or no matter how nice it is, it's not gonna help you. By the way, we are hiking. What area is this?
Somewhere in the Hwasong Fortress.
Oh, pero so this is like the Great Wall of China. Sabi ng wife ko, here in Korea. Nakangawit nga lang. But yun. So you have to find something that people need. You have to find something that they actually want to buy. Because no matter how good the cupcake is, if no one wants to buy it, then it's just basically a hobby. It has to be something that's profitable. It has to be something that there will be a market for it as well. And that's how you can start selling and making money off of it too. Tip number 2, aside from looking for side hustles and sidelines, this should actually come before tip number 1. No, you should take the time to also study. Take the time to sharpen your saw. Take the time to learn. Take the time to read. Take the time to find information that will help you grow. Please remember that people always say that you are the sum of, or you're the average of the 5 people that you spend the most time with. But in the same way, in learning, you are the average of the 5 books that you read. You're the average of the 5 YouTube channels that you also watch as well, because you will be greatly influenced by the amount of time you spend in either consuming content via books, via seminars, via videos, and you need to spend a lot of time also to actually learn and actually find the time to make yourself grow. So how do you make yourself exponentially grow this 2020? You need to find ways on how you can improve this. You need to find ways on how you can sharpen this, because at the end of the day, it's this that will allow you to make right decisions in your money. It's this that will give you the right decisions on how you can actually win. And when I was starting out, and here's something that is very, very true, I spent a lot of time reading a lot of books, spent a lot of time going to as much seminars, conventions, conferences, expos that I can. I would use my money not for enjoyment at the start, but I would use it for making myself grow. So I highly suggest that for all of you, because the rewards for that are truly astonishing. I'm truly amazed by the amount of money that I've spent in enhancing this, in increasing myself, in making myself grow more. I'm truly amazed by the amount that I placed there, and how it has caused me to grow in every aspect of my life, in my business and investing career as well. So that's my second tip. Aside from creating side hustles, try to innovate and try to make yourself better. Try to find the rudiments on how you can sharpen your saw, make yourself learn more, because at the end of the day, you will only grow as much as what you put inside of you. So it can be books, it can be blogs, it can be vlogs, it can be conferences or seminars, it can be through mentors, but it has to be through a way where you find the opportunities to make yourself learn more and grow as well, because you can never stay stagnant, especially in a world where everyone just keeps changing. Please remember this: we are in the information age. We are in the world where it's all about information. It's all about processing that information. It's all about creating scenarios where you get to execute based on the information that you have, but you cannot execute if you do not have any information that will cost you. So that's tip number 2.